Here's the next vehicle. Slammed. Whew. Man. Dial 911 on this son of a bitch right here is hammered. Alright. Gonna clean her up. I don't know if you can see that. That right there is it.
In Overspray Removal of Texas, your on-site overspray claim specialist. This vehicle right here, this one is slammed. It was probably 50 feet, if not less, from where they were spraying the polyurethane. It has about a 200 grit sandpaper effect to it. So what I'm going to do is zoom on in into action right there so you can see it real good. Now, if there's another way other than this, I sure would like to see it. I don't think that prep towel or nano skin or disc or anything can remove this type of damage. It's too much. Man, why? How do you get this much? Oh, all right. Now this is no machinery. No chemicals. No compounds. No wet sanding. Don't even have to buff this. In fact, I might want to. Why would I? Look at that finish. This is just the beginning on this one. I'm going to give you a close-up. When it's silenced, that's the part I've already cleaned. That's how you know there's no overspray on it. You got a good bit of part of the hood done. This middle section here. Smooth. Lots of overspray. Now, polyurethane, it's not like paint. It doesn't mill down. You're going to have to shave this tail light. This headlight. You can clay it. and it ain't gonna come off. If you try to steel wool this, you'll scratch it. You can't even really steel wool the chrome on these newer vehicles. It's just not like old chrome. Oh, mama. Baby. Look at that headlight now. Now, claying through the wax and all that, polished it. It's smooth as ice now. Okay, I'm going to remove it off this tail light. And I'm telling you, there's another way. I sure would like to see someone do it. It's just too much on it to leave it, you know, just because it's a tail light. Now I'll use the clay bar, take off the residue. That's no compound, no solvents. Oh man. This must be the side that got hit the worst. Here's your polyurethane. Going to demonstrate how I'm going to take it off this piece. My camera is kind of acting funny because it's so cold. Maybe it's not rated for 17-degree weather. I have to keep the door open as much as I can for light. Okay, come back. Seems a little tedious, but believe me, no more tedious than the pinstripes. I'm going to show you a little. Okay, now I'll take the clay bar. And when you clay over a piece of trim like this, it will actually polish it as it goes because of the wax that I'm leaving on here. Okay. No buffers, no nothing. Razor blade, BC2, and Auto Magic clay, the best in the market. And there you go. There we go. Let me give you a look-see. Look at that. There's no machinery, nothing. Here's the other one. You see how it's kind of dry? That's normal. But what I just showed you, polished it. I can take it several steps further than this, but this is a sheriff's vehicle. There's no reason for me to truly polish that. Oh, she got a little bit on there. I can't even miss like the corner here, so you have to backtrack over it. The top is finished completely. Look at that finish. Every seam, there is no, because you'd hear it, stuff sounds like sandpaper. Every seam is repaired. Every valley, every piece of overspray has been removed from this top. That is not an easy feat because it is about 22 degrees now. Warmed up a little bit, maybe 23. The finished product. Look at that hood, it's perfect. All the chrome. Headlights have been repaired. Both of them had to be shaved. Polished the windshield wiper arms. Took all the overspray out of every decal on there has been repaired. And I even polished the decals. As you can see my reflection. These also. Look at that, you can see the reflection of me in the decals. Alright. And of course I removed the overspray off of them door molding, but look at that. That is polished. No one else does this. They don't touch those pieces. But I gotta remove the overspray off of them, so. Alright. 911 has been polished. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, International Services.